Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee versus the Flex Turbo Milwaukee Fuel Gen 4. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so yeah guys, we do have the Flex. This is the video you guys most wanted. This is the Flex Turbo. Let's start with the Flex here. This is the Flex Turbo brushless. This is top of the line hammer drill, and it does have the turbo option there at the bottom. 23 clutch settings, drilling, and hammer mode. Really like that feature. It does have 2 speeds. Sounds really nice. Does have a really nice handle. Everything's metal, and this part's rubber. Does say Flex on it. All this black part is rubber. This one's plastic. But yeah, all this black part is rubber. It does have some nice rubber stops. FX1271T, 0 to 550, and then we got 0 to 2000, first speed and second speed. Hammer mode, 0 to 700, and then we got 0 to 2500. 5 different connectors. Chervon, North America, 120 watt hours, very equivalent to Milwaukee, 108 watt hours. So this is a little bit more than the Milwaukee. Full battery here. This is a nice LED. I really like this LED that it has. These are bigger batteries, guys. They're really heavy. Heavy tools, heavy batteries, and this is, like I said, brushless turbo. It does have a nice LED at the bottom. It does have the power stop. So, yeah. So this one does have the power stop technology. As you guys do see, I'm still pressing the button. And this one does not flash the lab battery, but it does have that new power stop technology. And then this one, same thing. Right there. Flashing right there. We got fuel brushless. We got Milwaukee fuel. This is the Gen 4. I don't know if you guys could see this, but this is 2904-20. We got made in China. I know the previous version of this, the Gen 3, was made in Taiwan. This one is made in China. We got a 6 amp hour high output battery, fresh out of the charger. 16 clutch settings, drilling mode, hammer mode, and then nice metal chuck. Obviously 2 speeds, M18. We do have a plastic handle with metal, Milwaukee. A nice LED light, really nice trigger. I think they upgraded the trigger. Looks really nice. Yeah guys, let me know down in the comment section if you guys have any questions about these tools. Alright, so we're gonna start with some it's a 1/2 inch drill bit. Second speed. One, two, three, go. Alright, we got a 1 inch spade bit. We're going to be making a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got a 1 inch auger bit. Hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got the Flex. We're going to move on to speed 1. We do have a 3/4 inch socket. This is a 4.5 inch lag. 4.5 inch by 1/2 inch lag. One, two, three, go. Personally, I think this is a really nice drill. It's not the smallest and it's not the lightest. Still really great technology. Really like digging the turbo mode. However, the turbo mode does fail on this one once it heats up. It did not fail in this test, but once you use this turbo mode all the time, it will fail. The tool won't fail, but the turbo mode will not be on. Just put it that way. I really like the ergonomics, really like the grips. Everything's perfect on this tool. The only thing I don't like I said, it's just too heavy. It's heavy and it's bulk a little bit. It's fairly compact. I think it's smaller than the DeWalt. It's very comparable to this one. I really like the clutch. Everything's nice on this one. The handle's nice. It's nice and rubber. This one's really nice. It's proven itself over the years. Obviously, we've been doing Milwaukee. We've been using Milwaukee for the longest time ever. So now that this one showed up, we got the newer technology. This is a brand new tool. If you have the Gen 3, I mean, it's up to you if you want to switch to the Gen 4. It's not suggested. On this one, you do get the power stop technology. So that is a plus on Milwaukee's part. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this test? I know this is the test you guys been waiting for. We got it down, we got it for you guys. Hopefully I can get a Gen 4 impact driver, get some more videos out for you guys. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.